Phones. Can't live without them. These things are so ingrained in our day-to-day that it makes you wonder if we're actually using them to their full productive potential. Well, today, I am going to go over some productivity tips that'll really amp up the performance of your phone. We're all Android users here, so one of the first things I did when I got my 11 was updating the notification drawer. Right now, you have to swipe from the very top, which personally is not my favorite, but I prefer a mid-screen swipe. But right now, that pulls up your shelf with all your current different apps, accounts, etc., things like that. So if you're like me and you miss the traditional mid-swipe to drop-down notifications, don't worry, I got you. First, you are going to go to Settings and then search for Shelf. Then tap that and you'll see Swipe Down on the home screen. Tap on that and select Notification Drawer and voila! Back to a traditional Android feature. No more swipe misfire. Now the 11 actually has a lot of cool special features like that, like work-life balance as well as simple mode, but I have personally been absolutely loving the gestures feature. So you're going to go to Settings, then go to Special Features. And then down at the very bottom, you're going to see Gestures and Motion. Give that a click. From there, you can activate touch-based gestures like taking a screenshot by just touching 3 fingers and holding down, or motion gestures like raising the phone up to your ear to answer without swiping. But one of the coolest and most amazing ones in my humble opinion is air gesture. So when you select this feature, you can answer or mute calls, all with this hand motion. Mute, unmute. Mute, unmute, like a Jedi. So the display on this phone is pretty sick. So whether you're gaming or streaming, you're definitely gonna wanna get the best out of your phone. And to get the best screen resolution on your 11, go to Settings, Display, and then tap Screen Resolution. You're going to see a default setting at Full HD and go ahead and tap Quad HD Plus to get a superior image. There we go, much better. And if you're wanting to stream on the go without sacrificing quality, you can even enhance the video color. So you're gonna go back to Display and Brightness, and from here, you're going to see Video Color Enhancer, and then tap on that. This feature will default to off, so turn it on. The SDR to HDR tech will amp up the visual experience. Now, it goes without saying that these display tips will drain your battery more because you're getting a higher image quality, but this also packs Super VOOC fast charging, so you can quickly get back to 100% in no time. All right, y'all, that's all I got for you today, and I hope these tips were helpful, and be sure to tune in and subscribe to watch more of our amazing videos. We'll see you next time.